You're looking at a dead woman. Why? Because each morning I awake and painfully ask God, why can't I see my children? In January 2008, I filed for divorce in Cook County, Illinois from my husband because he was beating me. In May, we attended court ordered mediation and he agreed that I would keep residential custody of the children, that they would continue living with me. On June 4th, 2008, he tried to get an order of protection against me in front of Judge Edward Arce, but the judge denied it. However, just 1 month later, on July 3rd, 2008, a fraudulent, illegal, and unsigned agreed order was entered by Judge Arce, stating that I showed up to court and gave our 6 and 3-year-old babies to my husband, the man who had repeatedly attacked me with a knife in front of our children. Not only was this phony and illegal order used to courtnap our children, it also stated that I agreed not to contact any media or government personnel about my marriage or divorce case. I swear under oath that this did not happen. I was not present in court, was not issued a summons, was never even notified of this hearing taking place. Even more telling, the court reporter has sworn out an affidavit stating that there is no record of this proceeding. When I filed a complaint with the Illinois Judicial Inquiry Board, they allowed Judge Arce to recuse himself 18 months into the case to avoid the appearance of impropriety. Yet, those improper and illegal orders remained in place. So how can this happen? Why can't I see my children? In May of 2011, the new judge, Judge Nancy Katz, she issued the final dissolution, and it stated that my husband received sole custody of our children. It cut off all visitation with me and my natural born children. It awarded him all marital property and ordered me to quit claim my interest in our home over to him. My only concern is why can't I see my children? She used on the court transcript this order of protection supposedly issued by Judge Arce, the same one that Judge Arce denied, to cut off all visitation. I'm not allowed any telephone contact, no emails. I'm not even allowed to send birthday cards or gifts. I pay child support every week, but the judge has restricted all access to their medical and school records, which is a federal right. So how can this happen? Why can't I see my children? No one will tell me. So now my supporters have hired a private investigator to look into this. They want to know, how is it that I'm cut off from my children when I have no criminal history, no history of drug or alcohol abuse, no contact with the Department of Children and Family Services. No one is even accusing me of abuse or neglect towards our children, not even my ex. So why can't I see my children? Along with the private investigator, I am coming to you, the public. My supporters have put together a reward of $1,000 cash to any person or persons that can get the court order finding me unfit or a serious endangerment to my children as required by law in the state of Illinois. To learn more about the reward or to contact me with your thoughts, your questions, or your words of encouragement, visit our website, whycan'tsheseeherchildren.org. This has been the introductory blog, and that's all for now. But stay tuned to our YouTube channel, See the Children, for our upcoming episodes. I'm going to take you on this journey with me, and together we will discover, why can't I see my children?